Hello friends, my name is Brother Grant. I have come to invite you about the upcoming program, Moment of Worship Extraordinary, Sound of Victory Season 1. It's going to be a wonderful experience in the presence of God. The program is holding on 21st of July, this Sunday. It's going to be a wonderful experience. I don't want you to miss it. It's a virtual and live recording experience. It's going to be live streamed in every of our social media. I want you to get connected. Everyone, all over the world, you are invited. Please don't forget to share this so that people will be part of it and you will never regret it. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.